In today's video, we'll talk about how to write fractions in Google Docs. If you've ever struggled to neatly type fractions like 1/2 or 3/4, don't worry. I'll walk you through the simple steps to make them look professional. Let's get started. First, go to Google Docs in your browser, and then open the document where you want to insert your fraction. Next, place your cursor in the spot where you'd like the fraction to appear. Now, at the top menu, click on Insert. From the drop-down options, hover over Symbols, and then click on Equation. This will open the Equation toolbar. On the upper left of this toolbar, you'll find a menu called Math Operations. Click on it. From the available options, choose the fraction template. Once the fraction box appears, type your numerator at the top, then move down and type your denominator at the bottom. And there you have it. You've successfully written a fraction inside your Google Docs document. This method keeps your fractions clean, readable, and properly formatted, which is especially helpful for math assignments, academic papers, or professional documents. That's it for this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Google Docs tips. Thanks for watching.